How to enable language translation option on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can enable language translation option on Facebook. So if you are wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow and you should be able to enable the language translation option on your Facebook as well. First of all, go ahead and open up your Facebook app in your device and log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, what you can do is simply head over and tap on the menu bar at the top right corner of your screen and head over to your profile page. And here you're going to look up for the gear icon, just go ahead and tap on it. Once you reach here, you're going to scroll down a bit until you're reaching the preferences section. So when you reach over the preferences section, you're going to look out for this option called language and reason, which is in the right middle. Just go ahead and tap on it. So here are different options for language translation options available right here. So first of all, you can find the section language into which you'd like to have a post translated. So you're going to go ahead and select the language in which your post you want to translate to. For example, if you have posted any post, in your own language and you want other people to able to translate into their own language, you can go ahead and select other languages and simply tap on save right here. And after you have selected your language, you can go ahead and find this option called share your post in multiple languages, which is turned off right now. So to enable it, you're just going to go ahead and tap on it and turn it on and save the settings. And after that day onwards, if you have already turned it on, other people will be able to find the translation option in your Facebook post. So that is how you enable language translation option on Facebook, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.